This video is for quiz correction 1, quiz 1 corrections for Stony Point High School, Unit 1A Geometry Unit. This is the fourth video over segment addition. So I just have one example for this one, but it's going to cover segment addition pretty well. Sometimes you're given a picture, sometimes you're given a statement, and in this problem we're given a statement, which then we need to build a picture off of. Once we have a picture, it will be like the problems that have a picture. So it says point M is between points X and Y. And sometimes they'll say point M, X, and Y are collinear. And all that means is collinear points literally mean points that are on the same line. So in this case, I have point M, X, and Y. So here's M. M is between X and Y. So here's X on one side. If M is between them, then I know make them collinear, make them on the same line, but Y has to be on the other side. I don't really know how far or how close X, M, and Y are, and it really doesn't matter. I just need to make sure that they're collinear on the same line and that M is between X and Y. That's what I have. Then it says xm is equal to 3x. So between x and m, that measurement is 3x. M to y is 10. Then it says x to y, from x to y, I have 5x plus 6. There's my picture. And sometimes, like I said, you're given the picture. So from here, I want to find the value of x. A segment addition literally means I take one segment, I add it to another segment, and I get the bigger segment that they add up to. Okay, so in this case, I have 3x, which was xm, and it's connected to my, which is 10, and if I add them together, I should get the endpoints in that segment of xy, which they told me was 5x plus 6. So I now have this equation of 3x plus 10 equal to 5x plus 6. Okay, and that was xm plus my gives me xy. And now I want to solve for x. So from Algebra 1 and previous years before that, we learned how to solve equations by first getting the variables to one side and the constants to the other. So I have 3x and 5x. I'm going to move 3x, which is smaller, to the other side. It's a positive 3x right now, so I'm going to subtract it because plus and minus, or positive, negative, are inverses of each other. 3x and negative x cancel out, leaving me with 10 is equal to 5x minus 3x, which is 2x, plus 6. So now that I have the variables all on the right side, I'm going to move that constant of a positive 6 to the left by doing the opposite of minus. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 is equal to 2x. Now I have one more step to divide by 2. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So my answer would be x equals 2. Now a way to check your work would be actually to substitute that value in to make sure that xm plus my would give you xy. So we said that x was 2. So for xm, 3x or 3 times 2 would be 6. I already have my to be 10. And I add those up, I should get an answer of 16. So for xy, if I plug in 2 in, 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. They are the same, or equal. Therefore, I know my answer to the equation of x equals 2 is correct. Hope this helped.